The battle space is changing, evolving in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. No longer solely the domain of lumbering tanks and roaring fighter jets, modern warfare is increasingly defined by the persistent buzz of unmanned aerial vehicles, better known as drones. These machines are rewriting the rules of engagement. These versatile machines have become integral to military strategies, fundamentally altering the way conflicts are fought and won. They offer a new dimension of warfare that is both strategic and tactical. Drones offer an unprecedented blend of affordability, capability, and adaptability, ushering in a new era of warfare with far-reaching implications. Their ability to perform a variety of missions makes them indispensable. Initially deployed for reconnaissance and surveillance, drones have rapidly evolved into sophisticated weapons platforms capable of delivering precision strikes. This evolution has expanded their role on the battlefield. Their impact is undeniable, prompting a paradigm shift in military thinking and raising critical questions about the future of conflict in the 21st century. How will nations adapt to this new reality? From the deserts of the Middle East to the vast expanse of the Pacific, drones have become ubiquitous, their presence a stark reminder of the changing face of modern warfare. They patrol skies, gather intelligence, and execute missions with precision. Their silhouette against the sunset is a symbol of a new era, one where technology and warfare are intertwined like never before. The drone age has dawned, and its implications are just beginning to unfold. One of the most significant impacts of drones has been their role in leveling the playing field in modern warfare. These unmanned aerial vehicles have revolutionized how conflicts are fought, providing new opportunities and challenges for military strategists. Unlike traditional military aircraft, which are prohibitively expensive and require extensive infrastructure, drones are relatively cheap to manufacture and operate. This cost-effectiveness has made them an attractive option for many nations. This accessibility has lowered the barrier to entry for smaller nations and even non-state actors, enabling them to acquire advanced military capabilities previously out of reach. The ease of use and rapid deployment of drones have made them a game-changer in various conflict scenarios. This newfound access to drone technology has had profound implications for asymmetrical warfare, where smaller, less equipped forces engage with larger, more powerful adversaries. Drones provide these smaller forces with a significant tactical advantage. Drones empower these groups to conduct sophisticated operations, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and even targeted attacks. They can gather real-time intelligence and strike with precision, capabilities that were once the exclusive domain of major military powers. This ability to challenge the conventional military superiority of larger nations has led to a shift in how wars are fought. The traditional dominance of well-funded, technologically advanced militaries is being questioned. The proliferation of armed drones has fundamentally altered the balance of power in conflict zones, shifting the dynamics of engagement and forcing militaries worldwide to adapt their strategies. As drone technology continues to evolve, its impact on global security and warfare will likely grow even more significant. Drones represent a significant departure from traditional warfare by minimizing risk to military personnel. Operated remotely, often from thousands of miles away, drones allow militaries to conduct operations without putting soldiers in harm's way. This ability to project force without deploying ground troops has fundamentally changed the calculus of war, making it possible to engage in combat operations with a reduced risk of casualties. Furthermore, modern drone technology enables an unprecedented level of precision in targeting. Equipped with advanced sensors, laser guidance systems, and high-resolution cameras, drones can deliver ordnance with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing collateral damage and civilian casualties. This surgical strike capability has become a defining feature of drone warfare, setting it apart from traditional airstrikes, which often result in significant unintended consequences. Section 4. The Unblinking Eye: Surveillance and Psychological Warfare. Beyond their offensive capabilities, drones have proven invaluable for intelligence gathering and surveillance. With their ability to loiter over battlefields for extended periods, drones provide a persistent eye in the sky, relaying real-time information to commanders on the ground. This constant surveillance capability enhances situational awareness, improves targeting accuracy, and provides a decisive advantage in combat operations. Moreover, the persistent presence of drones creates a significant psychological impact on enemy forces. The constant threat of surveillance and potential strikes from above wears down morale, disrupts operations, and instills a sense of vulnerability. This psychological pressure has become a potent weapon in its own right, shaping the behavior of combatants and influencing the course of conflicts. Section 5. The Rise of the Machines, Automation and AI in Drone Warfare. The evolution of drone technology is intrinsically linked to advancements in artificial intelligence, or AI. Over the past decade, we have witnessed a significant leap in the capabilities of AI, which has, in turn, revolutionized the way drones operate on the battlefield. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are increasingly integrated into drone platforms, enabling greater autonomy and decision-making capabilities. These advancements allow drones to perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human operators. From autonomous navigation and target identification to complex mission planning and execution, AI is transforming drones into highly capable and increasingly independent warfighting assets. This transformation is not just about enhancing performance but also about redefining the very nature of military strategy and tactics. This integration of AI raises critical questions about the future of warfare. How will the role of human soldiers change? What new strategies will emerge as a result of these technological advancements? As drones become more autonomous, the role of human operators in decision-making processes is likely to evolve. Human operators may shift from direct control to supervisory roles, overseeing multiple autonomous systems simultaneously. While human oversight will remain crucial, the increasing reliance on AI in drone warfare raises ethical and strategic considerations that must be carefully addressed as this technology continues to advance. Issues such as accountability, the potential for unintended consequences, and the moral implications of autonomous lethal systems are at the forefront of this ongoing debate. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel.